Dear students, today we will discuss about uses of common metals and non-metals. Uses of common metals. Iron is the most commonly used metal and it is used in making big gadgets and it's reinforced concrete in conjunction with cement to construct big buildings. And it's also used in making small things, for example, pen or nail. Aluminum is other metal that is widely used. We know aluminum making household items. Aluminum is also used in making aeroplanes as its density is low as compared to other metals. Aluminum wire is used for making electrical cables because it is cheaper than copper. Metals are malleable and it's also good conductors of heat and electricity. So it is used in making cooking utensils and water boilers. The metal important use of copper is electrical gadgets. It is also used in household wirings. Gold and silver are widely used for making jewelry. Yes, we know yes. Highly reflecting mirror are made up of silver since it reflects about 90% light falling on it. Metals in the combined form are used in every aspect of life. For example, sodium chloride is the main constituent of common salt that we use every day. Chemical, cement and glass are two commonly used materials. The main constituent of cement are calcium oxide, silicon dioxide, and aluminum oxide. A very small quantity of iron oxide is also present in cement layers. When mixed with water, these reacts slowly form mixture of calcium and aluminum silicates called concrete. Common uses of non-metals. Common non-metals oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, chlorine and iodine. Oxygen is used by plants and animals for their survival. Oxygen also support combustion reaction in factories, homes, aeroplanes and missiles. Compounds from nitrogen provide nutrients to plants. In order to enhance the growth of plants, fertilizers are added artificially. Chlorine has the ability to kill germs. It is used in water purification. Sulfur is used to make sulfuric acid. Tincture iodine is solution of iodine in alcohol that has antiseptic properties. Non-metals are also useful their compounds of forms. Nitric acid used to prepare nitrate salts and nitrates of silver find use in photography.